Dear students, very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about the structure of the fatty acid synthetase enzyme complex. So this enzyme complex play a very important role in biosynthesis of the fatty acid. So basically this enzyme complex is consists of the different subunits which are present as a subunits of the a disc-like structure that collectively called as a fatty acid synthetase complex. The structure of this fatty acid synthetase complex is common in case of bacteria as well as in case of plants. Now, each segment of the disc basically represents the one of the six enzymatic activities of the complex. At the center, there is a acyl carrier protein with its phosphopentethene arms, which is ending in SH group. Now, each subunit is here corresponding to the one specific enzyme which catalyzes the one specific step during biosynthesis of the fatty acid. Now come to this first segment of this that is KS and which is corresponding to the beta ketoacyl ACP synthetase. Now next is the AT subunit that is acetyl coenzyme A ACP transacetylase. Next is the ER subunit, which is your enoyl ACP reductase. And next is the HD, which stands for the beta hydroxyacyl ACP dehydratase. And next is the KR, that is your beta ketoacyl ACP reductase. And last one is the MT, that is your malonyl coenzyme A ACP transferase. Now come to the function of the each subunit of this fatty acid synthetase enzyme complex. So first is we come to the part of this AT subunit. So this AT subunit, that is your acetyl coenzyme A ACP transacetylase, that help in the transfer of the acyl group from coenzyme A to cysteine residue of the K. Next, after this AT, the next function will be of the empty subunit. That is, your empty subunit is malonyl coenzyme A, ACP transferase, and this help in the transfer of the malonyl group from the coenzyme A to acyl carrier protein, that is AC. Now, next number 3 is the KS subunit. Now, KS subunit is beta ketoacyl ACP synthetase, and it helps in the condensation of the acyl and malonyl groups. Now, next is number 4. Number 4 is the KR subunit. Now, KR is beta ketoacyl ACP reductase. Now, this KR subunit helps in the reduction of the beta keto group to hydroxyl group. Okay. So, after this KR subunit, now number 5 is the HD. That is your beta hydroxyacyl ACP dehydratase. So as the name indicates, so this enzyme basically helps in the removal of the water from beta hydroxyacyl ACP. Okay. Now after this HD functioning of this HD subunit of this fatty acid synthetase enzyme complex, last one is the ER. Now ER is your enoyl ACP reductase. So this involved in the last reaction during biosynthesis of fatty acid, and it helps in the reduction of the double bond and resulting in formation of the saturated acyl AC. So that is all about this fatty acid synthetase enzyme complex, which contain the 6 different subunits and present as a part of this whole complex enzyme, that is your fatty acid synthesis. Thank you.